Guys, I just received the coolest thing in the world. I have in my filthy paws a prototype of a new keg volume measurement device from the same guys that make the Plaato hydrometer. So I wasn't sure what to expect. This is clearly a prototype. It's made of wood, that's pretty cool. I'm not sure where you plug it in. So, but there are a couple of screws here. Let's see what's inside the box. Maybe that'll tell me more how to work it. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So this is not actually the device. The device is this gizmo, which looks exactly like what I would expect a prototype to look like. That is just cool as hell. Got some screws here. Have a USB. Yep, there's a USB plug in there. So let's see how this works. All right. Let's see. I got a USB cable already. All right, one little problem. I'm going to have to go find a cable that will fit inside there. This one's too fat. So, how about the one they sent with it? That would be a fantastic idea. All right, I bet that'll work. Plug that in there. Okay. Now I'm going to, nice long cable. Going to plug that into a wall wart. And I've already downloaded the Plaato app. Huh, got a nice little red light there. I guess that's good. I've already in a blinky. I'm assuming that's waiting on me to pair with it. I've already downloaded the Plaato app on my phone. The same app is used for the hydrometer as well as the this. I don't know what they're going to call this yet, so I'm just going to call it a keg thing. Where the hell is it? Okay, I found it. Plaato app. Let's see what it does here. I don't have any devices connected, so I'm going to add a new device. Let's see. I got to change my Wi-Fi. It's going to be BeerNet is the name of my Wi-Fi. Okay, and continue. Power on your device. Make sure to all 3 LEDs. I don't know. I don't see 3, but I'm going to assume that's ready. Waiting. It found it. How's that? Fuck. Yay! Took a few minutes, but it ended up connecting, no problem. It kind of connects, if you're familiar with the Ring doorbell, it kind of connects to this thing generates its own little temporary Wi-Fi network, and then you have to join that Wi-Fi network and hook it up. So anyway, it's here. So I'm going to finish and go to settings. And I'm going to figure out some of the settings here, and I'll get back here in just a minute. Well, that was quick. You click on keg settings, and I'm assuming I'm going to click on the tare weight of the keg. So I don't know if I put the keg on first. I'll probably put the keg on top of the scale first, so I'm going to do that. This is a temporary ugly keg that is not going to be accurate because it is missing one of these handles, but it'll work for these purposes. So I'll put it on top of the scale, and okay, it found that it's 4 kilograms, and I have no idea how much that is, so I'm going to change that to imperial here in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and tare the device. Okay, so now it detects this empty keg as, well, empty. All right, so now I've got to change it over to US, and let's see, raw weight, I'm going to leave that as default. We'll go back. So that is correct. I have no beer. It is 73 degrees inside my brewery, and pretty damn cool. All right, now I'm going to hook it up to a real beer in my kegerator, and we'll see how this works. All right, so here we go. It's blinking that it's pouring a beer. That's pretty cool. Huh. Last pour is 9.73 ounces. That is pretty damn cool. Way cool. So that was a preliminary test of this thing. There was no editing there. I pulled it out of the box, plugged it in for a prototype device. This is cool as hell. It obviously detected that I poured close to 11 ounces in a roughly 12-ounce glass. Despite I didn't let it get to the right temperature. I haven't calibrated it for the right keg, and so it's a very refined prototype, and shows great promise. So this is fun as hell. So I'll post some more updates when I get them. Y'all have a good one.